G'day team, Petty checking in with another unboxing. Just doing some random bike repairs at the moment, and I've had some big issues getting the Continental GP 5000s off. They've always just been a pain in the ass. So busted a couple of tubes and figured I need some better tyre levers. The Park Tool ones I've got, I don't know, I just find it junk. They're supposed to be good tools, but I'm not a fan. So what have we got today? So we've got the Wera. I've always found Wera tools to be awesome quality. This is the, I don't know if they actually give it a model number. Maybe that's 9502. I think 220180 would be the manufacture date potentially. So what have we got on there? Some Bunnings style picture diagraphics, whatever you call that. Oh, righto. So it's got tyre lever, looks like spoke nipple tensioner, some kind of hex wrench as well too. So it looks like your model, so it's 9502 and 9503, so maybe they are reversed or something. Safety, blah blah blah. So yeah, Wera stuff is always, I've found to be pretty awesome for the car tools. Screwdrivers, cutters, whatnot like that. Wera's German, and it's very good in my opinion. This one here was another Amazon special. I think this was on Prime, so it turned up next day. I think it had some pretty big sales as well too. So this is the Velochampion heavy duty extra strong black. That's your model number there. These are weighty. Then there's this gimmicky one which I saw on Amazon, had some heaps of purchases and heaps of reviews, so I'm keen to see this one. So now let's start with the easy one. So this one here, no real fancy packet. You just got your zip seal bag. Actually, a bit tired today. Bust that out, keep it all nice in this packet, I guess. So there you three. They're definitely pretty weighty. It is like a matte nylon finish. It's kind of like smooth, but with the matte, it's got all your ribbing there for your strength. So that's pretty fat gauge, and yeah, and standout branding there. So profile on that looks alright. I think that's definitely super solid. That's that one. Then let's have a look at the Wera. Always Wera's iconic green and their logo, so that looks good. There's no real easy open on this one, so we'll give her a bit of a crack. Very good. Oh, so these ones here actually stick together. That's pretty clever. Okay, that branding. Wow, that's super clever. That branding is raised. Similar kind of material. This is nowhere near as thick. It feels strong, but it definitely doesn't have the weight of the Velochampion. So your model and stuff in there, it's all embossed. That's like a gloss. This is matte with a bit of texture to it. Over the back you've got your strength. Webbing raised. So that's that one. This one here. This one here's got the hex. This one here I'm assuming is for the spoke nipples. Both got these to click onto your spokes when you lever in the tyre. So yeah, that looks pretty sweet, and I think that's a pretty cool feature how they snap on like Lego blocks. That's cool. Very good. Now this one, the Dark Horse, I thought I'd give it a go. This was quite expensive, but I guess with I don't know, I think it was like 25,000 purchases or something phenomenal. I don't know if it was that high, but yeah, it looked like one of these gimmicks, but on the actual video, as part of their marketing on the listing, they actually had the Continental GP 5000, so I thought that was pretty funny, because that's the tyre which is just broken the last straw for me, and I got the shits hard. So we got this just plasticky bag. What does that say? Yeah, environment, yeah, whatever. So happy, the bike happy Rehook. So that's cool. It's like probably some Viro cardboard. It feels pretty sturdy. So Rehook, thank you for your purchase. If you have any issues with your order, you can reach us at hello@rehook.bike. We want to ensure you're happy, so please give us the opportunity to put any problems right. If you're happy with your purchase, we'd really appreciate a review at rehook.bike/review. Learn how to use Rehook products. I'm definitely going to have a look at that. I don't know, from watching other YouTube videos, maybe even have put some dishwashing liquid on there just so that the tyre, and I guess the texture of the rubber sticking onto the rim. But anyway, I'm trying, and I was very frustrated yesterday and just threw it all to the corner and went, I'll leave this for tomorrow, get some better tools. So there's the actual tool. It's seated in this cardboard thing, which is in the box, pops through. So what's this got? Rehook, tyre glider, evolution of tyre levers, quicker, easier, compact. Yeah, that'd be great if it actually works, but I'm not sure about this. Made in the UK, very good. I don't know, well, if these are made in Germany, I don't know if these are made in China, but that's cool. Good to see local manufacturers not outsourcing, dependence on everything coming from China, but everyone votes, I guess, with their dollar and where you buy from, so it's their own fault. Rehook, evolution of tyre levers, quicker, more robust and simpler to use. Rehook tyre glider glides tyres both on and off with ease. Compact and lightweight design works across all bike disciplines, allowing swift removal and installation of tight fitting tyres. Well, that's what I've got. So removal, let's have a look at it with those instructions. So just rip this out, I guess. Right, that came out. So let's look at it. Tyre glider, it's definitely solid. Once again, it's in that like ballistics nylon. It is a matte finish. You can see the raised branding there with somewhat of a glossier finish in between the letters here with separation. That G logo is pretty cool, like a tyre. Triangular shape. I don't know, that's just some like cast markings. And then you've got like this sphere, quarter of a full sphere. Then you've got your strength, raised webbing stuff. It's pretty weighty. It's more in the weight of these, I guess, just taking into account the size difference, but this is definitely sturdier than the Weras, that's for sure. They'd be the most dainty. They're not like flimsy-ish, but they're definitely noticeably thinner. Righto, so that's I'll say looks interesting. Very good. So what are they telling us? They are telling us tyre removal. Skip the front of the tyre glider under the tyre bead. Turn the tyre glider horizontal, levering the tyre bead over the rim. Use the handle to glide around the rim, removing one side of the tyre. Installation. Right, so it looks like it's going like that for the installation. Like that. How's the removal work? Looks like it's in like that, maybe. Potentially. Anyway, I'm keen to give it a go. See how it goes. Oh yeah, I think that's in like that under the tyre there. Yeah, righto. And then that must push along. Okay, team, well, I'm keen to give that a go. So that's all your three. You got the Wera, Tyre glider, and the Velochamp. Very good. I guess that's it. Let's look at them for the size. All again, no idea. Love that. Yeah, that's a ripper. We can't punch that one out. No dramas. Righto team. Have an awesome day.